my channel. My name is Lydia and today I'm coming at you with this sunset orangey look vibes thingy I did. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is spray my face with some rose water. So then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Hangover Hydrating Primer. I just bought this bad boy, so I'm curious to see how it does. I was at Ulta yesterday and I spent $78. Did I really need to spend that much money? No, I did not. Now I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte primer, mattifying primer, and put that in my T-zone. Now I'm gonna go in with foundation. I finally got a new shade. This is the Maybelline Dewy Smooth one and I got it in porcelain. It does not look porcelain. Ivory is way too dark on me and it oxidizes, so we will see if this is close to my skin tone because this is the only foundation that fits me. It doesn't look cakey on me because that's totally porcelain. I'm going to go in with the NARS concealer, and let me tell you that this was a mission trying to buy. I was going to buy the Tarte concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape, and let me tell you that that thing oxidized so freaking bad whenever I was in the store. I got the shade Fair Neutral, and whenever I let it dry on my hand, it turned pink. Okay? I don't want that. I then tried the Too Faced concealer, and their lightest shade called Swan was too dark. It was almost the shade of the oxidized Tarte concealer. So I picked up this bad boy. And this one did not oxidize whatsoever. So, and it's $30. Do I want to spend that much money on a concealer? No, I do not. No, I don't. I'm gonna go over that with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Vanilla to add some more coverage. Now I'm setting my face with my Maybelline Loose Powder. I'm not a big fan of dewy foundations, but I don't mind buying them because I can always make it matte with a powder or matte setting sprays, you know, so I'm fine with getting this. So while that sets, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan to cream contour because I have a very round face. This stuff dries down really fast, so I do like spots at a time. And then I see people use this concealer and put it under their under eyes, on their forehead, on their chin at one time. And I'm like, how do you do that? Because that dries down so fast. So now I'm going to wipe off all of the bake. Now I'm going to bronze with my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. It's annoying. Like, I could not find me a drugstore concealer that was thick and would highlight my face. They were either the color of my skin, like that light or darker. Nothing to help brighten besides LA Girl, but that's not the one I was looking for because I want a thick concealer. No. Nope. So I have to get the high-end, and even doing the high-end, it is hard to find my shade. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte blush and Blushing Bride and blush up my cheeks so I look less dead. So I'm gonna spray my face with the rose water again to help melt in all of these powders. I'm gonna add me some lip gloss. This is black. This is by Gilded Cosmetics. So now I'm gonna go back in with my NARS concealer and prime my lids. So I'm gonna go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna go in with the bright orange shade and pack that all over my lid. Like so. And now I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade and blend that out. And now since we lost the orange, I'm gonna go back in with the orange and build up the color again. Do the same thing on the other eye. Blend out with yellow. Oh, so also, because I'm in the mood to talk, I'm probably going to be getting a car in the next week or two, and your girl is pretty excited about that. My very first car. Because you know I am 18 and trying to get an apartment and I'm trying to get a car and I'm trying to get my life together. I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Festive palette and use this like really shiny white and put that on my inner corner. So now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Cat Eyes mascara. This has been like my favorite mascara since like the 8th grade, okay? I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Lash Glue and my Lash Pop lashes and Out of the Blue. These lashes are like very different and I really like it. You can use my discount code Lydia Baby, get some money off. They are cruelty free and they have a lot of styles. So while that, you know, dries down, I'm going to apply some highlight. I'm going to go with the Pixie Glow in Gilded Bare Glow Pixie Glow Cake thingy. And I'm going to use the like light shade. to set my makeup, I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Setting Spray. And then we are done. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.